Purging your residential refrigerator with nitrogen. Begin by attaching the non-core depressing end of your service hose to the nitrogen tank's regulator. Next, remove the cap and Schrader valve from the filter dryer. Typically, the cap is the tool to remove the Schrader valve. Remove the cap to the process stub on the compressor. Once removed, install the other end of your service hose with the core depressor. Next, turn the nitrogen tank on with the handle directly on top of it and allow the nitrogen to flow with the T-handle directly on top of the regulator. The gauge to the right shows how much pressure there is in your tank, and the gauge to the left shows how much pressure you are delivering. Delivered pressure can vary depending on the manufacturer's recommendation. At this point, the system is being purged. Purge times may vary again on manufacturer's recommendations, and any flammable refrigerants being purged must be done so to the outside of the customer's home.